10. That tastes so good. If you love ginger biscuit, because yesterday I needed a man. Yeah. Saltfish, $739, I think. Oh, call me Builder D. That's yam. I think the lady said the yam $3.50 a pound. On who needs a man? We made it true. We made the second. Who is Vineyard Town?
Out in the street, they call it
$2.50 a hand, and you probably get them have cucumber for $200 a pound. Life has meaning again.
For your love, I don't want no wedding day.
Alright, and inside I felt like really, like I just feel overwhelmed. Anyways, I need to go to the supermarket and the market, but walking down the hill, one car come. Walking down the hill, the breeze a blow in my face, and life just have meaning again, you know? I just feel alive. I can't lie. Nature, you know, air, just being outside really make me feel alive. So anyways, yeah, life has meaning again. And all I did was walk. All I did was come outside. But I'm not gonna lie, I feel renewed. But also to add, I got notified that my package is here. The total weight for the stuff that I bought on Amazon, I know my nails want to do, but the total weight for the packages for the two stuff I bought on Amazon was £16, and I'm going to pay 5,200 Jamaican dollars. I don't know if you feel about that, but yeah. So I don't know if I'm going to pick it up today or tomorrow. No, on Sunday. Then the open on Saturday. So Sunday. How much your banana?
3 bills at this.
How much your yam?
4 bills at this.
You have white yam? Yellow yam. How much your jackfruit?
Not 3 bills at this.
Alright, thanks.
Jam rock, jump with the thugs and camp back. 2 pound and back, it in your handbag.
How much a banana? What is one more price first? Alright, you can follow that. Like this. How much feet?
Give me 250.
250 for 6 of them? Alright, I'm going to put it back over there. So I'm going to circle and come back. Half pound. Alright, so we're going to get grapes and grape at 1,000 a pound. And we're going to get like half pound of onion. See? No, can I get the purple ones? For 150. Alright, how much here? I really eat Irish potato now. How much is Irish potato? Irish. Well, cucumber. How much is cucumber? 200. 200. 200 for one? What's up? Huh? Even a small one for 200? You have none for 100? 200 a pound. Oh, I can get half pound? So I'm have cucumber for 200 a pound. Alright. So, and then your apple, you say $100 for one?
For 1, 6 for 5,
250 a hand, and you probably get more than 12. No, the video may talk to. Very good. Alright, hold on. Thanks for the money. Thank you. Alright, we have jelly coconut. Use a spoon. Alright. Can I have my jelly inside? Can you tell this was my first time using the coconut to eat the coconut? Like, I've never done this before. But call me a coconut though. I will drink a jelly, but to eat the jelly, I normally prefer a spoon. Is it just me? Is it just me or other Jamaicans are like this? Alright, now we're in the supermarket. I'm gonna see what we can get. So in a supermarket, but we basically want snacks. Chubby. So in the supermarket, I'm trying to get some snacksy. My favorite aisle in the supermarket, snacks. And I really love these. These sunshine potato chips. Don't stop making them. Don't stop. They always have to show the expiration dates. So let's compare. I get 6 sweet pepper outside for I think $100. In here $250. I mean not sweet pepper. I mean regular pepper. Sweet pepper outside is expensive, like $800 a pound. $800 a pound, and in here basically $800 for 2. Grapes. Let's look at grapes. Grapes outside, I get 1 pound. 1 pound for $1,000. In here, this is a little bit under half pound and for basically. Either when I put on tax, it come up to maybe $650 or $670. Look on the amount. Maybe 2 apple outside. If I get green apple, probably $300. Yeah. Red apple $100 for 1. In here, it basically $950 or maybe $1,000 if I put on tax for 6, and $100 for 1 outside. Kiwi outside, I go for $200 for 1. In here, basically $1,150 for 4. Alright, we're gonna look for saltfish now. So we're gonna get a piece of saltfish. So before I come to Jamaica, like me did all believe in boiled peas and all of that, yeah, peas to boil. But my brother has introduced me to canned peas. Like black beans taste really good, canned beans taste really good. So I start support the whole black beans movement, and him say Goya really good. So I probably buy one kind of Goya, but under the bottom not look so clean. So let's go again. Black beans. This is low sodium. Do I really want low sodium? But Goya price them ridiculous. $4.30, $2.25 for Grace. Grace, you're looking more attractive by the day. And I have kidney beans. Probably gonna try the Grace black beans. But why the candy mix so rusty? I don't like when the can look Grace. I don't want to look too bad, but it's still gonna look like a wash too. Alright, I'll probably try this one. So Dublin Rose is not in the supermarket, but I don't like the flavor of them of fruits and nuts. I don't like fruits and nuts. Romaries, I mean, I'm not really that much of a fan. Coconut, I try coconut. I never really like coconut, I'm not gonna lie. If I want to give it another try, I don't know if I want to give it another try. Who is Vineyard Town? Realize them have some interesting flavors. Guava passion. Oh, non-dairy ice creams. I like sorbet. I'm tapping. Alright, so we're back home from the supermarket and I want to show you. So we're back home from the supermarket and I want to show you the supermarket and the market and I want to show you what I got. So in the supermarket, let me see if I can tilt you up. So in the supermarket I spent like $3,415, I think, in total. Spent in the supermarket and you guys saw what I got. Like I got a lot of snacks. I said it makes me hungry. I'm extremely hungry. I'm washing my hand right, guys. So I'm coming. Oh, hold on. Batch are dead. So you saw the stuff that I got from the supermarket. Extremely thirsty. Starting next week, I'm going to use my camera. I stopped using my phone. But let's focus. I hope you guys can see me clearly. Sugar bun, got snacks, the crackers. I'm gonna leave it out. But they're supposed to go in a container there for snacks. But we got snacks, right? The saltfish. $739, I think, on the bill. That was the final price. Yeah, that was the final price. $739.20 for this amount of saltfish, baby. Anyways, my snacks. Now saltfish can stay right here for now. Wow, I'm ready to wipe off the counter. Cook down saltfish and ground provision like boiled food, boiled yam, boiled banana, sweet potato. Yeah, I like saltfish when it's cooked down with sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, thyme, scallion. Yeah, give that to me. Grapes. Wow. And how much, you know? 1 pound of grape and how much? $1,000. $1,000. Mighty God. $1,000 for 1 pound of grape. We got a scallion and thyme for like $400. A scallion and thyme. We got some green bananas. I will have a green banana for I think it's 12 for $2.50. I'm sorry. We got plantains, $100 per plantain, and we got 3 ripe, 3 green, so $600. Plantain. And we got yam. I think the lady said the yam $3.50 a pound. Mighty God, I like a piece of white yam, but I love white yam. And a $400 for yellow yam, but I'm a white yam girl. I got this $100 for this amount of tomatoes, like half pound of tomato. I got 3 apples, $100 per apple. And I got 1 cucumber. Is that like 1 cucumber, half pound, I think, $100, I believe, if I remember right. I get a half pound of onion. for I think 150. I think so, if I remember right. $100 for 6 Scotch bonnet pepper. Whoa, why am I gonna colored pepper? That's not foolish, eh? But green pepper. And that's what we got from the supermarket, from the market. That's what we got from the market. Well, what's the total? We're gonna check that out. But yeah, I'm gonna go there with like, oh, and the jelly coconut. I got a jelly coconut for $2.50. A big jelly coconut for $2.50. So the light's a bit poor in here, but as you can see, my room is a bit chaotic. I am going to change out. Yes, I'm going to paint my room. Just give me some time. But let me see if I can focus. I am going to change that light to this fan to a regular light for now because I'm trying to order a fan with light online. Right? The bed frame came. It's so cute. So the bed head came. So yeah, that's going on. I want to get some face a bit oily and all of that, but I come in here real quick editing D to talk about the bed head, to talk about the bedboard. Listen, it was handmade, and I love it so much. It's beautiful. The wood is, I think it's mahogany and cedar. I'm gonna have to ask my mother about that. But yeah, at first I was skeptical about like price and all of that, but no, I'm not. I mean, I'm not going to dive into that too much. Anyways, just talking about the bed in that moment in this video. Yeah, bedboard. Definitely invest in a bedboard. I thank you and bye. Take up pillows, but I can do for now. I'm going to set up my TV. Yes, my dad is right there. I'm going to set up my TV over here and then take down these stuff. The desk that I'm building is right here. My brother's gonna come. Let me focus. Brother's gonna come and set it up, and then I can clear out these wire thingy. What else I'm gonna do to the room? Yeah, I really love. Don't ask me why my blanket's short. I have a longer blanket, but I've had this blanket since high school. Since when I was Westwood, I got bored. Since I've been in boarding school, my mom bought me some blankets, and I've been keeping them ever since. It's a thing that hold on. Is there something precious that I have between the two of us, that we have between the two of us? So yeah, I've had that blanket all my life. And I'm keeping it. And right now it's on my bed. What else? We have some stuff for charity right here that I want to give to charity. So I'm packing a suitcase to give to charity. Those are the lights right there. And then this is going to be the bedside table. So this is the room right now. Those are my friends right there. Anyway, it's not going to zoom me if it's showing up face, but this is the room right now, but we're going to transform it. So stepping back. We're going to transform the room. Whoa, that was...
Caesar, let me ask you that confusion.
So I bought these the other day in the supermarket, and I have to say these are definitely a 10. They taste so good. If you love ginger biscuit, yeah, you have to get these. This is how it's looking. It's really good. Okay, so it's the next day, but I wanted to quickly jump in and show you how did I achieve this. So it's all cute. Achieve this. My shoe rack. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I know I look kind of weird right now. I put up my braids and I have on a fur underneath, and it's not looking that good right now. So anyways, we got this big box from Amazon, and we're going to do some unboxing. We have 2 packages inside, and it's our we have 2 packages inside. Shoes rack. Oh no, I look homeless. The shoes rack and the stool. So let's see what we can do. Wow. So this is one. So shaky. Right, that's one. And then this is the other one. Right, so we're back and we're trying to set up the ottoman now. Now I did 2 for my TikTok, but this is how the bottom is looking. I'm going to put in the other 2. So let's go. Alright. So let's try to do it. This part. Yeah, so today's Sunday and I'm looking like Sunday, but how's your Sunday going? What are you doing today? What are you doing on this beautiful Sunday? Oh my god, I am tired, but I need to set up these 2 items, and then I need to, the painter is supposed to come here and then give me like a quotation of how much it will cost, so to paint my room. So that's what I'm on. We have one more. It's hot. Earlier it was windy outside, but that's actually, oh, the light come back up. Earlier it was windy outside, but now it's like hot. It's pretty hot. It's pretty hot. And I want you to know right now. I get one extra screw. Voila! Oh, call me Builder D. Period. Alright. Okay, so you can now call me Builder D because I just did my big one with the stool. Now we have the other thing, the shoes rack, but it kind of look very narrow. But let's see. So shoes rack, this is supposed to look when it's done. Let's see if we can build it up. Oh my god, let's open it. Coffee bag. Oh my god, these coffee bags, love them. Period. Because it's on Who Needs a Man. I'm joking because yesterday I needed a man. Yeah, definitely. Yup, to build to put up the desk. Yeah, but today who needs a man when you got an Allen key? Period. And Amazon did their big one for less stress friendly items. Anyways, let's unbox the shoes rack real quick. Whew, I'm tired. Box the items. We just open it up and this is how it's looking. It's plastic, so that's the drawer back. But I mean, my mom said don't bring, these are slight metal, don't bring wood in our house that's not pure, because she don't want any parasites on chichi, so insects and stuff like that. So we're going to work with these. It's not the cutest, but it's temporary. It's just to organize our shoes. So let's get into it. So far with it, we're connecting up all of these, right? Now we're gonna connect this to the T12s. One in, two in. I'm watching Magnum PI in the meantime. Do you know Magnum PI? Do you guys watch Magnum PI? I love Magnum PI. Alright, connect. Whoa! That one never got in properly. Alright, and then you put a T12 on the end. And then you squeeze it in. We made a tray. We made the second tray because we made one for TikTok. Excuse me. So I have this part, I believe we have the connect it in around the loop. Let's see. My shoe rack. My shoes rack is gonna be looking like this. is my shoes rack. How did I achieve these? Well, you have to watch the video. But the only part I didn't catch on the video was the top part that I had to do up here, and basically just join them together, lock them in, and the end product, baby. So this is gonna be my shoes rack. I have quite a lot of shoes, but how did I achieve that? Let's see.